Kain.
Kain.
We are eating today. Yes. Lunch as usual. We have all vegetable. I don't know. Do you have these in Philippines? It's called gawar. Gawar. I don't know. It's green.
like beans or sitaw, yeah?
Yes, I cook with potato. And this is mango chutney.
Oh, what is this?
Mango chutney I prepare.
This is ripe mango or unripe?
Half.
Matured one.
Yes, and you put jaggery. We have mango. And we have
famous chapati here. We don't eat rice
in the morning.
In the morning.
If there is a dal only, then I cook rice. So guys, this is our lunch.
We have fresh mango.
Yes, and there is a sweet called gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Yes. So we are going to have lunch together. Yes, Shania, you ready?
Yes.
And Shania like gulab jamun very much. Yes, Shania.
Yes.
Kind guys.
Kain, guys.
Shania, ચલ જમવા બેસી જા, પગ સીધો કરો બેટા. શું ખાવું છે તને? મેંગો.
Mango and
શું ખાવું છે? ગુજરાતીમાં બોલો. રોટલી ખાવી છે? તાતી?
yes. મને ગોળવાળી રોટલી બહુ ગમે છે.
શું ગમે છે?
રોટલી બહુ.
રોટલી બહુ ગમે છે. Shania try to say she likes chapati very much. કેરીનું શાક આપું? તો પછી શું ખાવું છે?
મને આ ખાવું.
આ ખાવું છે? ગવાર ખાવી છે અને એ શું કહે બટાકા.
બટાકા.
She said she like these green and potato vegetables. હાલો તારી રોટલી પકડો. Come on. ચલો પોતે ખાઓ શનાયા. ચલો. I said try to eat yourself, Shania. So guys, here every day for me English, Gujarati.
Yes. But for me, if Nini speak Gujarati, I don't understand. Little bit. But like rotli, pataka.
Shania sometimes tell to daddy, Uchami daddy, Uchami. It means lifty, half Gujarati and half English. Saras છે?
Okay.
Saras છે?
Hello guys.
Bye.
Today we have very important content we are going to share about our electric bill here in India, because some Filipinos are asking how much you are paying your electricity consumption here monthly compared to Philippines. And I got here guys 2 bills. Here we are paying every 2 months.
2 months, yes.
Months. Comparing Philippines monthly.
Yes.
Philippines in 1 month you don't pay. Cut.
No, here we pay every 2 months. Since you are, you know.
I have questions because I don't experience it. If you don't pay in 2 months, what they will do?
They will give you warning.
Just warning?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Have you experienced it? They come here and cut?
I experienced one of like woman.
Man.
They give 6 months, I think so. 6 months. 6 months.
Okay. Because I never see staff coming here, our neighbors, and cutting the electricity supply. So anyway guys, so let's see how is expensive or how is cheap electricity bill here in India. I'm not talking the whole India, generally I'm talking in our
House.
in our district, Kedah.
And we are talking particular now at our house.
No, I
yes.
mean, it's same in whole district.
Yes.
Because our provider is same.
Same.
Yeah? District is Kedah and we live in Nadjad, Gujarat. So guys, this bill is from December, January, and this one is
February and March.
February and March. So guys, diretsahan na tayo. So we consume this December and January is 369 kilowatts.
Kilowatts.
This is totally consumption we use for the whole 2 months.
Yes.
So 369 watts. I will tell you guys later how much we pay for that 2 months. So now I'm going to show you guys our electricity loads. What we are using, like electricity loads means like bulb or appliances. Yeah?
So can you show how much we consume for February and March?
February and March.
Just consumption.
Yeah, 369 kilowatts.
That is for December and January.
And
For
because now is what's this? February and March is summer here.
yes,
It's more
551.
551 because we use more electricity bill during summer. Okay guys, so let's see, tutur ko kayo sa...
What are the appliances we are using at home?
Okay guys, let's count how many bulbs and appliances we are using
At home.
at home, yeah? So first we have this very expensive LED bulb. This one, we got there, the small one. It's always switched on the whole night because Nini is,
Nene is sleeping.
yeah, Nini is sleeping. And we have as well here. And we have,
Fridge.
yeah,
But this is inverter fridge.
inverter. What do you mean inverter?
I'm not electrician, but as per my knowledge, like inverter fridge are advanced and they consume less electricity.
Okay, you mean this is latest technology?
Yes, how it work I don't have idea, but when we purchase they said this.
Alright,
I'm
so look, it's
expecting-
twin inverter technology. Oh, you got pause fridge. And guys, we have here, of course, this our
Aircon.
aircon, the latest one, Samsung. And laptop. I got mobile.
We got two mobile, your
Yeah,
mobile and
two
my
mobile and your mobile.
And we are sometimes charging Shana's tablet.
Shana's tablet, and we got this for internet. And we have this television. Nini is always watching, but we always control not to watch all the time. And we have this
Standing fan.
standing fan, yeah.
And it is
When we don't have AC, we buy this.
yes. And we
We have this ceiling fan. This consume lots of energy, yeah. This ceiling fan.
one and
this
two
this
fans.
is another fan. Because during summer we use lots of this ceiling fan, yeah.
Yes.
During summer because it's really hot here.
Hot.
So what else here inside living
And we have behind the door.
yeah, behind here.
If we go behind, we have water pump
We have,
because our water is stored underneath.
yeah, I'll show you guys. We have this is the switch of this our water pump. It's like this. It's like this, but
Inside
it's
the water.
inside the water tank. It's there underneath. So this every morning we are using this. Sometimes in the night because we
It
have
reach the top water up there.
yeah.
in our tank.
This consumes lots of energy as well because this is high pressure pump. Okay.
So how we turn it on?
Yeah, look, guys. This.
Switch turn on and that's it.
Look guys, as you can hear, it's working now. Because we have tank at the rooftop, yeah?
So it consume the, it will take the water out.
We collect water at the rooftop. We have a small tank there. And now, it's many appliances we are using. So
Yes,
let's see how
we-
much
we almost-
electric bill we are
Yes.
spending. I mean, it was us. And here in our beautiful kitchen, we have this LED bulb. This is
One.
20 watts. I bought this because Madam Shama wants bright here when she's cooking. And here we have another one.
Second one.
And of course from Japan, who gave us microwave, but we don't use everyday dish. Yeah? We don't use everyday dish microwave.
So in the kitchen, three appliances.
Yes, three appliances.
And we are charging mobile.
Okay, so let's go outside. I think it's finished now here. So here outside we have small light in the night for outside, but this is not consume much energy. But here in the toilet, in our
Geyser.
toilet, we have one bulb here.
Hmm.
But this one, we have this Crompton
Geyser.
We call it geyser. This every day we are using.
In the winter especially. And how much it what?
This is 3,000 watts, this geyser. Because during winter, guys, it's really cold here. And you can use ordinary water from the tub. So we are using this during winter. But until now, we are using this because Shania, she prepare hot water. And here outside, guys, I'll show you. We still have one appliances here. Our what's this? Our washing machine. This is our washing machine, LG. So every day we are using this, guys. But this is a smart inverter, 7 kilogram. So every morning, Madam Shama is using this. So what else? And here, look guys, it's very hot now here in India. Here's my bike. Oh, talagang nakakulambo. Bawal malamukan. So I think that's it, yeah? That's it?
At our house, total we have 10 bulbs.
10 bulbs.
Yes.
Alright. But bulbs don't consume much energy,
Yeah,
yeah?
but 2 is like mild one. One blue one we are using night and outside.
But I think appliances that consume much is like fan, geyser, and this water pump, washing machine, and aircon. So let's see, guys, how much our cost monthly bill for electric bill, yeah? You're right, Shania. Okay, guys, now I will show you how much our consumption month of December and January.
Before this aircon arrived.
Before this aircon arrived, yeah?
Yes.
So they know now all our appliances, all the bulbs. So guys, for 369 kilowatts per hour, we consume for 2 months.
2 months.
2 months.
And
Our electric bill is 2,365. But this is the receipt. We pay 2,370. 2,370. This is for 2 months.
yes.
So divided by 2, it's like 1,100.
200 like
Yeah, 1,200. So guys, 2,370. Because here is Gujarati, I don't know how much is the provided rate here. You know, provided rate means how much kilowatts per hour you're paying. But based on the computation, 2,370 divided by 369, it's like 6 rupees we are paying every kilowatt per hour. And Philippines, I've heard like 12 pesos. But here it don't show. I just divided.
Okay.
So now guys, you have idea now, 2,370 for 2 months, it's 1,200 monthly. So now when we have aircon, because this aircon arrived first week of March. And this bill is until March 21.
February and March.
March
So February
21.
we don't have that. So
The whole
March.
February we don't have AC, but first week of March we started to use AC until third week of February only. So guys, how much we consume when we have aircon?
551.
It's 551 kilowatts per hour. But because it's summertime, we always use this ceiling fan.
2 ceiling fan.
Not only because of this AC.
AC.
Because remember, December and January, it was cold, winter. We don't use much
Fan.
fan. That's why our electric bill consumption increased this February and March. Not only because of this AC. So, we use 551 kilowatts per hour. So, how much our bill for the whole 2 months?
Let's see.
3,666. So 3,000 divided by 2 is 1,500.
500.
600 divided by 2 is 300. So 1,800, like 1,830. 1,830. This one is like 1,200. So plus 600
Yes.
because we had aircon and we use much more
Fan.
fan. So the question is, which is more expensive in our place in Lipa City? Because I forgot, because 2 years now since I left Philippines, and I forgot how much our electric bill. Do you remember? No.
We 800, 900.
No, that is water.
Water?
That is water. But electric bill is more than that.
No,
Because
no. Electric bill is 1,200 like this.
But then
We
we
were
don't
paying.
have AC. We don't have this ceiling fan.
We have only one
We
fan.
have only one fan, and we have a
Fridge. We have
and
microwave there, washing machine there.
washing machine.
That's appliance
Yeah.
only.
And we don't have television there. Yeah?
Yes.
We don't have television.
And sometime only I was using Hoover there.
Yeah, we have Hoover, and we don't have water pump.
Water pump.
Water
No.
pump. So I don't know. I don't want to conclude which one is expensive. So guys, please leave a comment. How much is the electricity bill now in Philippines, especially in Batangas area, in Lipa City area, because every city has different provided rate, different company. So I don't know, but in Lipa City, I don't know how much now they are paying. So guys, we have idea here.
What do you mean every city have different? What
Because
do you
this
mean?
is different in
Private?
Batangas is Batilec. Batangas.
So this is
Electric
private
Power.
system, do you mean?
No, they are in Philippines. I don't know if write me if I'm wrong. Government provide power, energy, and this what's this
Batalek.
Batilec, this is not corporation, cooperative.
Cooperative.
This is cooperative in Philippines, in Lipa City is Batilec, yeah. So this we are paying to this cooperative,
Yes.
and they are paying to this National Power Corporation. I don't know if it's run by the government. So this is how it works in Philippines. But here, I don't know. What is the name?
Straight away go to government Gujarat.
This is all government of Gujarat
Yes.
state. This is state of Gujarat.
State of
yeah?
Gujarat. Look, it says Madhya Gujarat Wej Company. It means it is Gujarat, yeah, Gujarat Electricity Limited.
Okay. I have no idea if this is a cooperative as well, or corporation, or owned by the government. So guys, from Najad or from Gujarat, please leave a comment. We want to confirm who owns this electric company here, if it's owned by the government or same as well in Philippines, like cooperative. Okay?
Okay. So, okay guys, you have now idea how much we are paying for our electricity bill. Ben tried to explain me, but it is not my subject. It go out of my brain. He trying to be little bit smart with me. So let's see. You have to leave your comments, guy, because I want to see what he's telling me. It is right or
But that
not.
is right, because this is I know this kilowatts per hour.
So let's see. I'm asking our viewer. Just leave your comment, and I want to see. I will definitely read. So is it expensive here or expensive in Philippines? Because
Not the whole Philippines.
not Philippines. In Lipa City where we were living. Because I'm the one who was going to. I'm the one who
But
was.
maybe
paying.
similarity, even different province, similarity.
Yes, but in Philippines we don't have much appliances, so we don't have aircon, not fan, one fan,
No water
no
pump.
water pump. So I'm confused as well. It was expensive or normal rate. So okay guys, I think so. We will learn this time from you because Bimbo is teaching me too many things. But this time I'm appealing all of you to send the message so I can learn. And guys, please keep supporting us, Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Don't forget to follow us Insta, Facebook page, and more viewers to welcome. Bye bye. Thank you.